This is a flame dancer in the factory. He keeps his head down while working, and his face cannot be clearly seen. Following the camera, we see that he is preparing for the welding of a certain component. He first completes the cut steel pipes one by one. Mark! Welding started right away. His name is Masterly, and he has been doing welding work for 8 years. His job seems simple, but in fact, this kind of work requires extremely high work experience. When welding began, he first picked up the flame cutting machine behind his back, turned it on, and ignited very skillfully, and quickly adjusted the size of the flame. This flame cutting machine can easily cut the steel plate, so special attention must be paid to safety that he picked up a marked steel pipe and started cutting. The fire was blazing. He wanted to cut 4 slits out of the steel pipe. There were a lot of details here. If you cut too little, it would not be installed later. If you cut too much, it would be useless. The cut steel pipe began to turn outwards. Masterly picked up a hammer and struck it. The degree of striking could not be more or less. You can see the vernier caliper in his hand, which means that the error of his manual work cannot exceed 0.1 mm. The processing on the side cannot be done without cutting it off. It can only be heated to the right temperature so that it can be easily hit to the size you need. The requirement here is also accurate to 0.1 mm. This is a manual operation, so they are all experienced senior welders. Thumbs up for their professionalism.